Hello and welcome to MaTrEx, a solution for Hack Your Reality Hackathon powered by Accenture. MaTrEx stands for Maintenance and Training Through Extended Reality. Our goal was to make an extendable and scalable solution for manufacturing industries. MaTrEx achieves this by using OpenVR, which is a scalable solution. As you can see in the demo video, we have one worker using a high-end workstation along with a powerful Oculus Rift headset. The other worker is using a mid-tier laptop along with a mid-tier Acer mixed reality headset as his hardware. Both of these players actually use the same software and share the same environment and can use the software independently. One of the key problems we are tackling is training. The manufacturing industry is plagued by the problem of a lack of skilled workers. We aim to improve this by providing a virtual training simulation in which digital twins powered by industrial IoT can be used to train the workers. A skilled remote technician can demonstrate the training procedure through IoT or through virtual reality, and workers at different regions and different sites can be trained simultaneously. Another key problem we're tackling is maintenance. In case of a sudden breakdown or sudden problem which occurs, industrial IoT can be used by remote technicians to analyze the problem and provide a quick solution to on-site technicians, which can then be implemented to drastically reduce the downtimes in manufacturing lines. That's our submission for the hackathon. Thank you.